viewers. Today, I will introduce you to this industrial vacuum cleaner of AMD YYVAC 10.
First of all, it is equipped with a high-quantity three-phase electric side channel blower that allows continuous operation.
It has reliable electric appliance, ensures safety and stability with function of phase loops, overheat and overload protection.
It has two PTFE membrane hyper cartridge filters, wide filter area of 21,600 square centimeters, and over 99.99% efficient at 0.3 microns.
It has patent filter cleaning technology by simply switching the load on the machine and to create a back blockade without the trouble to stop the machine.
The integrated cyclone separator protects the primary filter from direct contact with incoming liquids or sharp objects and blocks partial dust to reduce the load for the filters. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a pressure relief valve so that when the negative pressure of the machine reaches the set peak wave, the pressure relief valve will automatically release to protect the blower from excessive load.
120 meters up and down stainless steel bucket with easily recovery tank. It's easy to clean, easy to drop, and easy to cycle materials.
The vacuum meter constantly monitors the filter efficiency via reading negative pressure of the machine in real time.
The rotatable metal inlet adapter is easy to install and avoids the hassle of twisting the hose. The ergonomic front and the rear handles.
Two big 8-inch front wheels and two rear castles with brakes.
Allow easy maneuverability of the machine.
4-pin industrial connector and appliance inlet local atop the motor chamber with 8 meters long power line and anti-dragging device. The electric box features on-off buttons, indicator lights, and a switch lock. The lower on both side panels and two cooling fans at the back ensures great ventilation and heat dissipation.
This machine has these accessories. 2 long connectors. 1 hose. 1 nozzle. 1 round brush. 1 front brush. And 1 extra tube. Okay, let's connect them. First, you should rotate the long connector to the hose. Just rotate it. Then you should connect this to the inlet of the machine. Just like this. Then you put the other connector to the connect the other long connector to the S-type tube. Then you should connect S-type tube to the front brush. Just like this. Then you can clean the dust. Okay, second way. You should connect the long connector to the front brush. Just like this. The third way, you should connect the long connector to the back nozzle. Then you can clean the dust on the floor, just like this. That's all for the introduction of the vacuum cleaner. Thank you very much.